Hi, in this video so I'm going to show you how you can fill up your Citroen C3, this is a 2021 model, with washer fluid. So we need to open up the bonnet, so we're going to pull that lever there, come round to the front, there's a little black catch just in here that you need to lift up, and that will allow you to lift up the bonnet. And then we need to put the stay up here, and you're going to be filling it up just here. So take the cap off, and we're going to pour it in very gently. There's a little gauze there to stop rubbish from going in there. Obviously put the mixture that you want in there, whether it's summer or winter. And then when you're done, you just need to close the cap. And there you go, you can see the level there because it's blue in colour and this is nice and clean. It doesn't matter if a bit overflows anyway. So when that's done there, you just need to put the stay back down. It goes in its little home there. And then nice and gently put the bonnet down and click it into place, making sure that it's nice and flush. Thanks for watching.